So we're gonna first we're gonna make a flat piece, and then wait,
Can I draw?
sure, yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna do a little row.
Yeah.
Wait. So what do you do it?
I
know.
I think so. You do.
You can do this.
Yeah, like that, and then we're kind of gonna make a background. Like this is gonna be our background.
But we're gonna put
The blocks. We're gonna put the blocks so we can know how the bolts are gonna fit.
This is gonna be the strings. This is gonna be the strings.
Okay. And then these are gonna be the blocks. I'm just gonna make them as circles. The blocks.
Here, do you want me to make a do you want me to make a square one to a little
We can just you can make a square.
Because they're not the only. So let me make a square one. That's what I was thinking.
There, yeah.
Okay.
And then
wait. I think I have a good idea. We can wait. I know. We can put some strings like this.
yeah. And then we'll kind of use some tape to make a line over here, connected, and then we're gonna go up, and then try to make like this. This is going to be our perfect sled.
But one thing could I do is because I don't know what to use. How about we can use the sticks or the straws or something?
Yeah, we can use we can use the straws and the sticks.
Okay, let's make a mic.